Hi all, welcome back. Hope all are doing well. This is a time where we always run out of things at home. So even if you have an egg at home, I'll tell you the best curry you can make. So let's start making. I'm going to add coconut oil. You can add normal oil also. Because I have a Kerala background, I always do it. Then goes in around a half teaspoon of saunf, that big jeera, what do you call, I don't know what is the name for it, and little curry leaves. Stir it in a very low flame. Let it infuse all that beautiful flavoring into the oil. And then we're going to add in a big onion. You can see the setup is totally American. All these recipes were shot quite a time back when I was in America. And editing it in India. Funny, right? Then goes in around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Very normal masala which you add to all your curries. So let's do it. We're just going to stir fry it for a little. When the onion becomes transparent, it's time to go. A little transparent, little brown. However you want according to your taste. Little turmeric, chili powder. And take the double amount of chili powder with the coriander, as I'm taking 1 tablespoon of coriander. And then goes in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm adding biryani masala. You can add plain garam masala. There's a little difference in biryani masala and garam masala. Biryani masala adds that beautiful flavor what I want. You can add according to your taste. Now that beautiful roasted smell of the spices have come. This is a very important stage of any curry. Roast the spices well and then add all the wet ingredients. Now I'm adding the frozen tomato, and that's how I do it in America, because I cannot run out in the cold for shopping always. So I get tomatoes, wash it, clean it and freeze it. So that's done. It is cooked. Can you see that beautiful paste form which actually says it's ready for the next stage. I'm adding little hot water, not little actually, how much of a curry you need you can add that much of hot water to this, and we let this to the boil. And while that's boiling, we have another important work to be done, adding of course salt to it. While that's boiling, we'll make omelette, which is a main ingredient in this curry. I'm taking 2 eggs, little pepper and little salt. You will see it. It's a very normal process of making an omelette. If you want, you can even add onions into it, green chili, any decorative stuff into it and make it. Does not make a much difference, but you can make it as a plain thing also. Now right now it's a lockdown time, and it's perfect to make something very plain and very easy. I'm taking a small pan so that the omelette becomes little thicker. Adding little coconut oil and make your omelette. Omelette does not need much of instructions, right? Everybody knows how to make it. I'm going to add it and make the omelette and cut it into cubes and keep it aside. You can also really chop it into very small pieces and put it in, but I prefer cubes. You can also make it into strips. That's also really nice. So that's done. The omelette is ready. The curry is also boiling down there. Can you see? Yeah, it is reduced a little bit. I'm adding the omelette pieces into the curry, and this is going to boil for around 3 minutes. And after that, we have one more ingredient to add, which I'm going to use a tinned ingredient. You can use a fresh one. I'm going to add coconut milk to this. I don't get fresh coconut milk out here, so I am adding a tinned one. You can add fresh one, but make sure you don't boil it for much time, as I'm doing it right here. Now let's add the coconut milk. See, I get a tinned form here, so I'm adding that. Half a tin of coconut milk. It makes a huge difference in the curry. If you don't have coconut milk, it's absolutely okay. You can just stop it in the step before and leave it. Now can you see it is boiled and it's ready. I'm going to add 1 green chili. So we want it a little spicy. And then goes in curry leaves and coconut oil for that Kerala touch. I love it when the curry has its smell. Mix it and keep it closed for a few minutes and your curry is ready. Lockdown time, easy recipe with just one main ingredient. Go ahead, try it and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Support and subscribe. Bye bye.